The Dubai Health Authority General Practitioner Examination, commonly called the DHA GP examination, is a professional licensing assessment for medical graduates who intend to practice as general practitioners in Dubai. The examination evaluates the medical knowledge, clinical reasoning, diagnostic ability, and patient management skills required for safe and effective general medical practice. Candidates are assessed on their ability to identify common health conditions, interpret clinical information, select investigations, initiate treatment, manage emergencies, and determine when specialist referral is necessary. The DHA GP examination covers 5 major areas: internal medicine, general surgery, pediatrics, obstetrics and gynecology, and general practice and preventive medicine. The examination assesses diagnosis and management of common conditions, initial surgical care, pediatric and women's health, disease prevention, treatment planning, emergency recognition, patient safety, and appropriate referral. Candidates must obtain relevant patient histories, interpret examination findings, and diagnose and manage common acute and chronic medical conditions. The examination evaluates the ability to select and interpret appropriate investigations and develop safe, evidence-based treatment and follow-up plans. Candidates should recognize medical, surgical, pediatric, and obstetric emergencies and identify patients requiring specialist consultation, referral, or hospitalization. Candidates must provide preventive care, health education, screening, and vaccination guidance while applying ethical principles, professional standards, and patient safety practices. The examination is intended for medical graduates with an MBBS degree, or recognized equivalent qualification, international medical graduates, doctors seeking DHA eligibility, and previous candidates preparing to retake the examination. Applicants must meet the applicable qualification, internship, clinical experience, document verification, and licensing requirements prescribed by the Dubai Health Authority. TerraLeap provides exam-oriented multiple-choice questions covering important clinical subjects and frequently assessed concepts. Patient-based clinical case studies help strengthen diagnostic reasoning, clinical interpretation, and patient management decisions. Concise flashcards support rapid revision, while clear explanations help learners understand the clinical reasoning behind each answer. Medical calculation exercises cover drug dosage, fluid requirements, infusion rates, body measurements, and other clinically relevant calculations.